my camera on?
Yeah. I'm really into shit that get me out of it. I'm really into shit that get me out of it. Say a lot, wish I never even said it. I got everything unlocked, I got methods. If I go broke, I hit my block and serve meth heads. Really out in them deadheads. She was just sleeping, now she giving me bed. Don't talk too much, I'll think that you is a fed bitch. I'm not a subtopic, I'm not on red. The girl texts me and I never read. I'm real stuck up, it's my fetish. Really into shit that get me out of it. I'm really into it, if it get me out of it. Wanna do shit, so I went and got it clouded, bitch. I don't give a fuck, yeah, ain't that I don't give a fuck, ain't that about a bitch. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm so quiet, I be smoking on the loudest. I'm really into shit that get me out of it. I'm really if it get me out of it. Get out of it. Yup.
Found the untouched powder, or crust, I guess. Got my claw. It's a pretty nice day out. Let's go. Oh, ow. Jesus. Ow. Oh. Jeez. Rock I just fucking slammed on. Alright, look at this shit. There's a huge rock right there. Woo! Yeah! You're crazy! Well, that looks fun. Did you fucking... Oh! Oh! Jesus! Yo! Oh! Trying to get the shit. That looked cool. Oh. Oh, fuck! My bad. Oh! Yo! Oh. Damn! That was good, bro.
Not at that time, bro. Oh.
I don't know if we'll get enough speed.
Right? It's kind of the only way down now.
Yeah. See you, bud. Really? Oh my god!
Oh, that's gnarly.
And my jaw came up and slid on the snow, and
Now he's bleeding out his mouth. Oh geez. Nice.
we do an Edster for hot dogs and free stuff from Blackstrap.
Oh yeah. Arm wrestle, Bob Ross.
Today. Alright. Get down dirty.
Get down dirty. All right, let's rock.
Free beanie, let's go.
What color you want?
Can I get black?
Sure.
Thank you.
You bet.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh no.
The other way. He said. Hot dog painted, let's go.
I got a painted hot dog. All right. Thank you.
Good footy.